Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Grammar Quizzes. So without any delay, let's start. Articles quiz. She wants to become Gap actress. The correct answer is Anne. I need Gap new pair of shoes. The correct answer is A. Do you have Gap appointment with the doctor today? The correct answer is Anne. The box is made of Gap wood. The correct answer is no article needed. Gap elephant at the zoo was really big. The correct answer is the. France covers Gap area of 551,695 square kilometers. The correct answer is Anne. Both Gap brothers live together. The correct answer is the. Gap book I'm reading is Gap thriller. The correct answer is D and A. Gap apple a day keeps the doctor away. The correct answer is Anne. What Gap lovely scene. So guys, you have to tell the answer of this question in the comment box. Let's see how many people can tell the correct answer. And if you like the video, then please hit and break the like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, Grammar Quizzes, then subscribe to our channel now and set the bell notification to all. See you at the next quiz.